Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana and with
Carmen.
We are here at Walgreens right now. This is August the 17th and it will go through the 23rd of 2025 and we're going to get some amazing deals. I think I'm going to get everything for about 13 cents each, maybe less. So let's go do it.
Yeah.
So the very first deal I have for you is the Dove shampoo and conditioner. Now you can grab one of each if you'd like, but I'm actually going to grab two shampoos because the last time I did this deal, all they had was conditioner. So we're going to team it up with my last couple weeks ago deal. They're on sale this week for $5. They're regularly priced at $6.49. You're going to grab two of them. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, but you're going to get a $5 register reward, making it just $1 total or 50 stinking cents each, which is an amazing deal. So hopefully you're able to score this one. And literally this is all they have, the intensive repair. So I'm going to grab two of these because I have two conditioners at home. So now I'll be all even. All right, Carmen's helping me out. This is the best part about having someone little with you. All right, so we have the Purex laundry detergent to deal. We're gonna do this next. We're actually gonna grab two of the liquids. They're regularly priced at $8.99, so grab two of those, Carmen, and put them in our cart. Now they're on sale for $4.99, but they're actually gonna be $2.50 each when you buy 4 participating products, so we gotta pick up 2 more participating products. Now you may wanna grab the Purex discs here that are regularly priced at $8.99, same deal. You may want to grab 2 of them. We have Rebate rebates for $1 back on 1 for 2 of these and 2 of the liquid, and that is the best deal. However, that's not the deal I'm doing today. I prefer to get the Snuggle here. There's one of the Super Fresh and there's one of the Lavender Breeze. We have 75-cent rebates back from Ibotta on these, so I'm going to grab one of each of these because this is what I'm actually going to use in my household. So you can pick and choose which one you would rather do, but let me show you the whole deal. All right, so for this deal, I'm grabbing 2 of the Purex liquids and I'm grabbing 2 of the Snuggle, 1 of the Lavender Breeze and 1 of the Super Fresh, because there's 2 different Ibotta rebates. They're both a limit of 1 time, and then we have a limit of 2 times on the liquid. So although they're regularly priced at $8.99 for the liquid and $6.49 for the Snuggle, they're each going to be $2.50 each when you buy 4. So that is 4 for $10. So out of pocket is $10. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We're going to get $1 back on each of the Purexes and get 75 cents back on each of the Snuggle. That's going to make the final cost $6.50 total, or $1.63 each. All right, the next deal I'm going to grab is the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I'm actually going to grab 2 of these. They're regularly priced at $5.99. They're on sale for just $5, so the total is $10. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so it's going to be $6 out of pocket, but we're going to get $5 register reward, making it $1 total or 50 cents each. I don't like to pay for toothpaste. However, we're going to roll this into a spend booster, so we're actually going to get this for next to nothing. All right, what do you got there, Carmen?
So, can I have some? So you're gonna hold it onto the camera. Then if you spin it,
She's found a kaleidoscope. That's pretty cool.
But
The next oral care deal that we're going to do is with the Crest or the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now my store does have them marked, but we have 0 toothpaste to grab, so we're going to go with toothbrushes, but you can do the toothpaste if you'd like. So for this Oral-B or Crest deal, we have to buy 4 of them. So they're regularly priced at $4.49 for the toothbrushes, and we're going to grab 4 of them at $3.50 each, which is $14 total. There is a 6 off 4 digital coupon that we're going to pair with this, so pay $8 out of pocket, but we're going to receive a $6 register reward, making the final cost $2 total or 50 cents per toothbrush, and that's not a terrible deal. So let's grab 4 of these. So future Shana here, and I just want to say that I don't know exactly what happened, but this deal that I just did does not exist for this week. So I actually watched a Savvy Couponer. I watch almost every week for the Walgreens deals, and she had this posted in the video for this week, and I took it at face value and did this deal. But this deal doesn't exist. I can't find it anywhere else. I can't find it in the ad or anything like that. So I ended up getting 4 toothbrushes at $3.50 each, spending more than $12, thinking that I was going to get a $6 in-store rewards, and it did not happen. So this is where it came from, but let me show you the deal that you can do in order to get the amazing deal that I get at the very end. So here's the deal that you can actually do. Grab 2 of the Crest toothpaste, toothbrushes, whatever the case might be, and they are on sale for $5. The total will be $10. There's a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Pay $6 out of pocket, get a $4 register reward, which leaves you at $2 total or $8 each. Now, had I paired this with my booster deal, it would have been much, much better. But here we go. All right, so I do have an honorable mention deal here with the Always Flex Foam pads here, and then one of the pocket pads. I just realized my math may be slightly off because I was expecting these to be $11.99. They're showing $12.99. But the deal this week is buy one, get one 50% off, and so we want to grab 2 of the Flex Foam and 1 of the Always Pockets pads there. I actually have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and a $1 off 1 digital coupon specifically for the pocket pads. Our total would be $26.98, but you're going to get a $10 register reward, and then we can submit to Ibotta. There's $2 back for the Always Pocket pads, and then there's $2 back for the Flex Foam, a limit of 3 times. So we'll get $6 back total on all of that. It makes the final cost $10.98 total or $3.66 each. So there you go. I don't know. It's a good honorable mention deal if you're needing this stuff, but I'm going to pass because I want to pay very little out of pocket. All right, so here's my full deal. So everything here is going to be $44. We have $2.50 each for the Purex and the Snuggle, so $10 total there. The Doves are $5 each. The Crest or the Oral-B toothbrushes are $3.50 each, a total of $14. And then we have the Colgate toothpaste, total of $5. So $44 total here in this basket. I'm going to use a 9 off 40 digital booster. Now it is for my account only, so check your account, see what you happen to have available. Also use the 6 off 4 Crest digital, the 4 off 2 Dove digital, the 4 off 2 Colgate digital. Out of pocket would be $30, but I also have $21 in register rewards from last week, so I'm going to use that to lower my out of pocket down to just $9. However, if I didn't have that, I'd pay $30 out of pocket. I'm going to receive $9 in Walgreens cash for the boosters, $6 back for the Crest on a register reward, $5 register reward on the Dove, and a $5 register reward on the Colgate. On top of that, I'll submit to Ibotta, get $2 back for the Purex, and $1.50 back for the Snuggle. Final cost $1.50 total or 13 cents each, and we'll have to wait and see if when I submit to Fetch if I'll get any other rebates back there. All right, so we got all of it. However, we had an issue. Something didn't print, and I got to figure out what happened. All right, so I did grab the Oral-B toothbrushes. I got the Dove hair care, I got the Colgate, I got the Snuggle, and the Purex. So I got everything. The coupons came off. One of my issues was, so the first three here, the 8, the 3, and the 5, those were coupons that I had from Register Rewards. One of my $5 Register Rewards, and it was for Crest, didn't come off because it expired on the 15th. I think it messed up everything. I should have been paying more attention to that. There's a 6 and a 4 and a 4 coupon that came off, which I expected those to come off. So my subtotal was $14. I paid $16.64 out of pocket with tax. So that's okay. I was expecting $5 less because of the Colgate Register Reward that was supposed to come off, but yeah, it was expired. I also was able to grab the $9.44 in Walgreens cash, so that was also expected. So I did get that back. But I only got 2 Register Rewards when I was expecting a third. So I got $5 back for the Colgate, and then I got $5 back for the Unilever or the Dove there. I did not get my Crest, so that was kind of a big bummer, and that was a big one. So I think I totally messed up the Oral-B deal, and I apologize. I will fix that and correct that. I think that there was a buy 2 toothpaste for $5, and there was a 4 off 2 coupon. It was very similar to the Colgate toothpaste one, but as I'm looking now, I'm not seeing this Register Reward I was expecting to get for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So that might be my bad. So that's unfortunate. I'm gonna put this deal together for you, and I'm really disappointed, really disappointed on this one. So yeah, anyway, I only paid, you know, a little bit out of pocket, and I got a lot of things, and I still got my Register Rewards back. I still have to submit to Ibotta and get that back. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything else works out okay. I'm gonna do all of the math, and I'll put it here at the end of this video, but I will also try to put the corrected scenario for you to get the best deal, okay? What do you think?
Yes.
We got our nails done.
Yeah. It's
So
the same color.
it's the same color. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and stay tuned for all the details. Bye, guys.